our experiential learning project for this year was called Culinary Arts for Life. And we're here at the Superstore Cooking School today with our students who have been learning from Lori, the chef here, how to prepare meals that they may make on a regular basis.
This is a fantastic program. It's a very small class, so we have 10 students that are working with me over the course of 3 weeks to learn some kitchen skills and have a little fun and eat something healthy too.
We wanted to use the experiential learning approach with our students because we find a lot of students that come to us really are hands-on learners, and we want to teach them that they have the ability to cook and save money and also just provide for themselves.
I really enjoy learning how to chop different vegetables. I love my family, but we're not big cookers, so these aren't really skills that I have for myself. And it's really great to just cook with your fellow students.
It's a hands-on approach, which is always amazing thing for a kinesthetic learner like me. It's also very fun for me because I get to cook and it's one of my things that I actually wanted to do. So I'm gonna put a lot of passion into it because I like doing it.
I've learned a lot of new ways in cooking and cutting vegetables and adding ingredients, making recipes. It's actually kind of amazing.
What I'll remember the most, aside from learning skills, is just the way that you bond with people when you cook a meal together. Especially with students that you wouldn't usually work with before, or teachers who unknowingly had skills or skills that you didn't know about. Like our co-op teacher is here today, and he keeps coming over and he's like, "Oh, let me show you how to do this."
I love this program. I love this program and I love these guys. They are the nicest kids. What more can you ask for?